Plug in the air compressor and power it on. Then, check the pressure gauge of the air compressor. Then pull on the pressure switch. The pressure will rise. It starts to work. Now let's connect the laminating machine to the other devices. This is the intake pipe. One end to connect to the output of the air compressor, another end to connect to the input of the laminating machine. This is the power cord of the laminator. Plug it in. This is the power cord for the vacuum pump. Before inserting the vacuum pump power plug, turn on the vacuum pump power switch. The power plug of the vacuum pump is inserted into the output of the laminating machine. When the voltage of the lamination machine and the vacuum pump are not the same, please use the power transformer. This is a vacuum tube interface. Tighten by hand after connecting. Then turn on the laminating machine power switch. Now LCD pressure gauge pressure is 0. Open the air compressor valve. LCD pressure gauge pressure rises. The LCD pressure is set to 5 kg in normal use. Rotate LCD pressure regulator. Adjust the LCD pressure to 5 kg. That is, the gauge pointer points to the middle of the gauge. This is OCA pressure regulator. Its pressure is 3.5 to 4 kg. After adjusting, lock the pressure regulator. This is emergency stop button. Reset it before use. Otherwise, the device cannot be started. Select English from the language menu. Press Setup to enter parameter settings. If there is no special requirement, keep the default settings. Press the return key to return. Take out the tray and put into the LCD assembly that need laminating.